Hey, crypto crew. Welcome to the Leap Podcast, your regular crypto news update from Leap Digital Investments. It's Friday, October 17th, 2025, and I'm Patrick Penn, your crypto specialist. The market's still licking its wounds from that brutal 444 million liquidation cascade on October 10th, with Bitcoin slipping to $108,718 minus 2% in 24 hours. Ethereum to $3,976 minus 4%, and Solana to $193 minus 4.28%. But there are some signs of life. Institutional flows are flipping the script, with ETH ETFs sucking in a record 170 million yesterday, while BTC fights back with fresh state-level reserve bills. Smart money's rotating into lower beta plays amid minor capitulation, and Solana's ETF debut in Hong Kong is confirming ETF progress. Let's dive into today's top stories, keeping it simple and clear. Let's leap in. The crypto market's digesting that 444 million liquidation nightmare, where 68.7% of BTC supply holders dumped 17,000 coins in a flash, crashing longs for 430 million in losses and exposing leverage's dark side. Loss aversion's the priority, with miners front-running pain by depositing 51,000 BTC to exchanges since October 9th. But institutions, they're shrugging it off, buying the fear like it's Black Friday. Wales opened a monster 344 million BTC short at 10x leverage, and long-term holders offloaded 265,000 BTC over 30 days. Yet, ETF inflows and nationwide moves call resilience. Total market caps at 3.66 trillion, down 2.91% in 24 hours, but the Fear and Greed Index at 25, indicating extreme fear, is screaming fire sale for diamond hands amid the shakeout. Bitcoin, $108,718. Institutional momentum is significant. The Charles Schwab Corporation, with 10 trillion plus assets under management, just greenlit spot ETF trading for 2026. Kenya legalized Bitcoin overnight, and Bank of America reports 3% of fund managers parking approximately 10% of portfolios in BTC. US state adoption heats up. Florida's strategic Bitcoin reserve bill cleared the committee, greenlighting 10% of public funds into BTC. BTC ETF flows, a cool $104 million net inflows Wednesday, bucking the volatility. But heads up on the pressure. Long-term holder sales hit 265,000 BTC in 30 days, and that Wales 344 million short warns of spikes. Yet, BTC dominance at 57.4% yells defensive stance louder than ever. Ethereum, $3,976. It's a mixed bag, but tilting bullish. ETH ETFs shattered records with 170 million single-day inflows, outpacing BTC's bleed as smart money rotates into lower beta 4 ratio plays. Bitmine scooped 104,000 ETH, 417 million, 4 Treasury, ARK piled on more, and Eric Trump confirmed WLFI's tokenization of real estate on Ethereum. It's a real-world utility incoming. Solana, $193, has some positive vibes as the world's first spot Solana ETF just debuted in Hong Kong. A massive win, unlocking Asian inflows and proving Sol's speed for the masses. Sol holders are all watching for US ETF deadlines as they heat up next week. This dip? Classic post-crash capitulation. ETF tailwinds say rebounds could be locked in. That 444 million liquidation wasn't Armageddon. It's a stress test. Bitcoin miner capitulation with 51,000 BTC moved to Binance indicates further sell pressure. But it looks like tactical repositioning, not panic. Institutions are diverging hard. ETH's record inflows versus BTC's outflows signal maturing markets. Sophisticated capital are picking winners, not fleeing risk. Overall sentiment, peak fear, short term, bullish reload, long term. Fundamentals like ETF debuts and payment rails are bulletproofing this bounce. Look, this shakeout's forging the cycle's next leg. Extreme fear at 25 means diamonds in the rough. Bitcoin at $108,718 with Schwab, spot trading, and Florida reserves is prime accumulation news. Ethereum has treasury buys and real estate tokens. Solana, Hong Kong ETF rocket, and institutional billions make it a compelling buy. Whales may short, but rotations into ETH call smarter plays. That's your crypto news for the 17th of October 2025. Check the description on Spotify or YouTube for more info. ETF explosions. Big players are differentiating. It's time we leap into the institutional flow. Stay curious, keep smiling, and let's leap forward together. Thanks for coming to work today and joining the Leap podcast.